Here's my chassis for my Model A Ford that we're going to be rebuilding. This is a brand new reproduction Model A chassis. It's got 9-inch rear end, coilover springs, 4-bar parallel system front and back, 4-wheel disc brakes, XF rotors with the Falcon calipers on the back. It's got modified Commodore calipers on the front. The front end is a 4-bar parallel as well. It's got a reconditioned Holden, I think it's a HR steering box. Set up with a cross member for a 350 small block Chev. It's got a transverse leaf spring and a superbell axle. Center of the chassis, got the mount for a turbo 350 automatic. We've got our brake booster and master cylinder. That's a reconditioned XY master cylinder and a brand new booster. It's all plumbed up with your stainless steel brake lines. Back to the rear end there, we've got our panhard bar already bolted on when we get a centre for the diff. We'll probably look at getting a posi traction centre in there. We've got to get some flexible brake lines to come out from the chassis out to our calipers, front and back. Just got a set of old XF rims here, some tyres just to put it on so we can roll it round, work on it. So we'll get those on, that'll be next, get them on, then we can look at getting some flexible brake lines fitted up. Start making some decisions on our motor. I wouldn't mind a LS1 alloy Chev block. I don't know if anyone's got any ideas what they're like. Or I might just go for 330 horse Vortec new motor. It's been all powder coated.